Hey there, thank you so much for asking for the behind the scenes of my AI agents in action. I've actually recorded 4 agents, take you 5 minutes to watch it, probably even less, of my repurposing team that will take a transcript and my playbook and write a blog post, a YouTube description, an email, and my podcast episode description. Here it is. And if you've got any questions, just leave a comment below and I will definitely answer them. Let's go on a quick demo of my content repurposing team right inside of the AI Voice Authority multiplier. So you just click over here and you go right to this agent here. And I'm going to actually paste in I'm going to actually upload my AI Voice Authority playbook real quick in here. I will just go find it. All right, we're going to do that. Then we paste in the transcript and you'll see how quickly it writes my YouTube description for me. I just love that there's 4 pieces in here every single week that I update, use for repurposing. All right. In less than a minute, it gave me a description, a hashtags, and my timeline. So now let's go to the next one, the next agent that I have in here, podcast description, right? So this one, we're going to actually get that playbook up there in there again. Let's go find that guy. Here it is. Paste in the same transcript. Bam. This is a very short one, so it's not going to be, oh, you don't need this. Okay, there we go. Wants the name of my podcast so that it can do a good job. There we go. In about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, faster than I could have done it myself. Now let's go to the next piece I love to repurpose. This is my blog post. This is going to be probably a shorter one than normal, but I'm going to actually get that AI Voice Authority playbook in there once again. And I'm going to copy and paste that short transcript in there, and it will write it. Again, this probably, because this is a shorter transcript, it won't probably write a super long one, but I could be surprised. Oh, there we go. What's my name? Wanted my name because it wanted to put my name in here. That's awesome. And there we go. All done. SEO written blog post from that short script. Then the fourth thing is my weekly email. Same thing. I'm going to upload that AI Voice Authority playbook because that makes it really sound like me. And I'm going to copy and paste in my transcript, and it will write using my voice, who my audience is, and my transcript and email that I can send to my list. That will get them to go and consume the piece of content here. Oh, so what's my name? Okay. There we go. Again, 10 scrolling, stopping suggestions for my content. And this is what it really very short, to the point. If you're still writing prompts, manually editing what AI gives you and piecing everything together, you're probably doing the hardest part yourself. That's awesome. So that is just the email, and it was all done in less than 10 minutes. In the past, when I've done this myself, it would take me hours to do this. And I just want to give you a peek behind the scenes here. We have social media posts, belief-shifting long-form posts, an agent that does that. Unlearning what you've learned, carousel posts, tip posts, quote posts, myth-busting posts, and behind-the-scenes posts. All that waiting inside here, all trained with your voice, with your content, done for you.